Now that I've gone over the definition of the derivative and how to find it, I'm going to go over the shortcut to taking the derivative where you don't need to use the definition. So let's say I had some function f of x is equal to x to the third. For me to take the derivative, I can say f prime of x is equal to, the shortcut is we want to take the power and we want to put it in front of the x, so now we have 3 times x, and the power we're going to want to subtract off 1. So our new power is going to be 3 minus 1. So all in all, we know that our f prime of x is now going to equal 3x squared. And this is going to be the derivative of x to the third. In another example, let's say I want f of x to equal 2x to the 10th plus 5. To take the derivative of this, we're going to say that f prime of x is equal to, well, we want to take our power and we want to pull it to the front, so we have 10 times 2 times x, and our power we're going to want to subtract off 1, so we'll have 10 minus 1. And whenever we take the derivative of a constant, this is always going to be 0. The derivative of constant is always 0. So now with what we're left with is going to be 20 times x to the 9th. This is the derivative of 2x to the 10th plus 5. So in general, this is what we call the power rule. So it's saying if we're taking the derivative d over dx of some function x to the n, when we take the derivative, what we're going to be left with is we're going to pull that power down and do n times x, and then we're going to subtract 1 off the power, n minus 1. And this is good for any polynomial function on how to take the derivative.